This vending machine is with OTI card reader, and it's with a 5-inch color screen which we can upload advertisement on it. Product selection is done by keyboard. Metal durable keyboard. OTI card reader. Bill validator. Coil mesh. 2 layers. Full glass door. Elegant and strong. Biocoin selection is based on your requirement. Before clicking the keyboard, the small color display will play the advertisement you upload. Click any key to enter into selection page. Click slot number from payment page. On this machine, there are 2 options, pay by cash or pay by card. Click up and down to select which mode you want to pay. First try pay by cash. €10. The screen will show balance €10 and purchased amount is €1. Click enter. Shows balance €9 and you can continue to buy or click refund. Now I will show you how to pay by card. Click slot number. Select pay by card. Add the card. Purchase complete.